So I am Ekta Kapoor and I'm gonna take you on the site visit, a virtual site visit of a very beautiful property. Want to know which one? Stay with me, I'm just moving there. And here I am today at Yelahanka's Paradise, that is Ajmera Lakeside Paradise. I'm going to be telling you a lot about this project. Stay tuned with me because this is Bengaluru's one of the most beautiful and serene locations, I have to say. Do not miss out on this one. Let's go. Located right next to the 105-acre Athur Lake, this project is in a total planned parcel of approximately 10.2 acres. And even despite being in such a big land parcel, there are going to be only 4 towers. So this is going to be scarcely populated, as I'm going to call it. Now they have 1 and 2 BHK variants, and in the 2 BHK they have 3 different variants which are going to be really spacious. But before I tell you about the apartments from inside, let me tell you more about the exteriors, that is about the amenities and the USPs. Come closer and let me show you what are going to be the amenities. Temperature controlled swimming pool, camping area, multi-purpose hall, bonfire area, pet park, party lawn, gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track, toddler pool, tennis court, basketball court, open air gymnasium, shuttle court, and a lot more are just a few of the amenities that would be here. So they have 2 different variants in the 2 BHK, which is of 1008 square feet and the 972 square feet. These are the variants that are available in the 2 BHK, and of course the 1 BHKs are available. And now if you need to know the booking process and how can you go ahead and come and visit this site, stay with me. I'm just gonna tell you what exactly is needed. Stay tuned. And now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you are wondering how can you go ahead with the booking process and how can you come over here and see the property, and multiple questions. Hang on there, I'm going to answer all your questions. Now, once that you have liked and shortlisted the project, all that you need to do is simply click on the link that's mentioned in the caption right over here. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and then all the properties that you have shortlisted, you can visit them in a day or maybe in 2 days so that you can escape the Bengaluru traffic. And this will all be done with a cab service which is absolutely free of cost. So you will get a free pickup and drop and visit all your properties. And also this is all brokerage free. This is absolutely zero brokerage because, as I told you, we connect you directly with the developers. So this is hassle free, it's cost free, and it is brokerage free as well. All you need to do is simply quickly click on the link below in the caption, and we're going to help you with all that you need to book your dream house with spot payment options, booking options, and many other offers and discounts. Do not forget that you also have to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud so that you can keep seeing such beautiful property in your locality and all across. We're also present not only all over India but also overseas in various countries like in the USA, in Canada, Singapore, and many other places. So this is Property Cloud for you, helping you buy your dream home hassle-free and brokerage-free. Thank you.